Yo guys, what's going on? It's your boy Sing Zima out here with another banger video, and I'm making this to apologize for missing Wednesday's post. It was a holiday, so I just did the holiday. Sing Zima Entertainment jerseys out now. You can get it on the Sing Zima Entertainment page. It's also in my Instagram page. But yeah, today we're asking kids what they were like as a kid and seeing if they would go back to that time, because I would like to be a kid again personally. So we'll see what people say. Hope you enjoyed the video.
I'm not lie, still most of the youth that we used to run up and down and play Pokemon with my charger, you see me? Like imaginary Pokemon, ask me if I'm a Pokeball and them little way, them big and serious. I'm telling you, used to have a schedule when I'm a charger them, you see me? Before school, we go to boom and run some Pokemon, you see me? Lunchtime now, we go to boom and run some Yu-Gi-Oh, you see it? After school now, blood clot of the Naruto that now, bro. You ask me, I run up and down like Naruto in a little school there, dog. You see me? A little dark time, so I'm glad we get past it. You see me?
What were you like as a kid?
Run up and down, to be honest. Just did a while. Not really busy about enough things. Full up a aisle, basically. Big man thing, full up a aisle, brother. Be running up and down, be sports. Every minute, I'm untidy, I never go up. Can't. I have a business, be running up and down. Tree, I used to climb in a tree and sleep on them thing, the beer wildness. I drop out a couple times, yeah, still. Big man thing. No. Never.
Scars?
Yeah. Fight. Boss, head boss. Couple times, I get stabbed.
What?
No miss that.
As a child?
My sister did wild still.
Oh, is your sister?
Yeah.
You still love her and anything?
Yeah, my sister. No, I'm never dead. After I'm never dead. If I'm not dead, I'm good. Simple as that.
Alright, what were you like as a kid?
When I was a kid, you know, I was like a fat man. You know? I can tell you I was sour, like fat. But as a fat kid, you know, I was like energetic though. Like I love to run up and down, play game. Love run like Naruto. Dragon Ball. Sometimes I used to like tie up some what you call elastic bands, like into one long thing and put it behind me and think I'm Super Saiyan 4 like Goku and them something there. I was like full on nerd, like I was into those stuff. Well, I used to do one main sport what everybody used to do in prep school. I know everybody did swimming, you know. I used to do that and thing, but they kind of feel away because they did, you know. I'm used to it. Like.
So you think you'd want to go back to being a kid again, or you prefer like how you are now?
Well, you know, if I erase the fat part, yes, I would like to become a kid, but I like how I am right.
Yeah,
like
so what was I like? Once upon a time, I was a very rude child. Yeah, I used to get in fights with my helpers, about 2 occasions. One incident, there was a dirty paper on the ground, and I take it and just rub it in her face, and then she hit my back and then fling thump, and then brother come part. Yeah, I used to do sports. I used to do football, swimming.
You still do those things now? Like you still do?
Yeah, I play football occasionally. Yeah, every Sunday. Yeah, and that's pretty much it. Smoking from a tender age. I was around 8. Had my first cigarette. It was craving it. Drinking for a long time too. Father used to bust me on bars and them thing, the white room and them thing there. Yeah, that's pretty much my lifestyle. Yeah, rude and exposed from my tender age.
Okay, so
yeah.
Would you want to go back to being a kid, or you?
Definitely. Yeah, because I had more fun, more freedom.
Okay.
Yeah.
What were you like as a kid?
I was a heathen, but slightly tomboyish.
Explain the heathen thing.
I was rude. Like, I said anything that came to my mind. Still like that, no. I didn't care about people's feelings. And I was very fat. Like, I was chubby. But...
Like, you know... Sorry, continue.
I'm black. But, yeah, I did sports then. I used to climb trees. So I was, like, slightly tomboyish.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
That's it?
Yeah.
So do you want to go back, or...?
Yeah, I like without responsibilities, please. I'll pick it any day.
As a kid.
Quiet, love sleep, food. Not really give much trouble. and still don't. I never give trouble. My mommy literally say I don't cry much. If I want my food, I'll just come to her or I'll just make a little noise and then she'd know some more food. That's another picture.
You white though, my friend?
Yeah.
So would you like want to be a kid again? Or?
Fully. I never have to worry about school that much. I never have to worry about where my money coming from. I always getting food, always sleeping and watching TV.
Growing up, I did fat still, so like, any little thing people used to call me big sis, I never really too like that, but like, you know what I mean, we used to up and down and active and play sports and be football and swimming and bicycle and things. Yeah, I play ball every now and I play ball every 2 days, but like, I don't really ride bicycle and things again.
Would you want to be a kid again if you got the chance to?
Yeah, I want to be 5 right now, because like, God knows, like, I just stress out, like, I'm fully stressed out, like, I have too much responsibilities, I worry about too much things right now, like, I want to go back to them time days.
Well, growing up, just used to do everything, like play every sport. I used swimming, football, cricket, trucks.
Behavior-wise and everything.
No, I did rude. I did rude. Love get trouble.
So you parents feel about that, like you talked about?
No, them never did like it still, them. But they do my schoolwork, so so they cancel it out. So I never really that bad.
If you would be a kid again or no?
Yeah, bro. Cause life rough, It get rough, it get hard, but yeah.
What were you like as a kid?
I was quiet. I'm never really. Well, when I was younger, I never really play much. But then, like, when I started school, I did start around and no trouble.
How much trouble? On a scale of 1
A lot. Like, I used to play with the boy them because I never really like play with girl when I was younger, and like I need them trouble.
That's crazy.
Because I eat, so.
Oh, okay, so if you got the chance to be a kid again, would you and why?
Not necessarily a kid, maybe like a teenager. Like younger than I am right now.
Like how old are you talking?
Probably like 15.
Why?
Because I liked being a kid, but I don't want to go back so young. Life is hard, get me?
What were you like as a kid?
I was spoiled. I did do gymnastics and swimming. I was the only child. Somebody gets everything I want. And I was active but no lazy. I'm not doing none of that. I never really go out to like work. No, I was a little angel and I was spoiled.
Right, if you had the chance to go back and be a kid again, would you?
Of course.
Wow.
Education. You can say that?
Yes.
Education. I don't want to be an adult, it's too much. I want to be spoiled. Them don't spoil me no more. For real, them don't spoil me. I ask for $2,000. Oh, you get lunch money. Alright, I want to go out too.
What you like as a kid?
As a kid?
Yeah.
I'm not gonna lie to you, bro. I was a little bro. Yeah, let me tell you this one time. I got a little tricycle, you see me?
Yeah.
For my birthday when I was like 6. And at my old house where we used to live, I threw it over the railing. So we had a balcony and I threw it over the railing because I was tired of it. But I destroyed it and I felt really strong, right? So I showed my mom what I did because I was like, I'm strong. You see me? And when I turned, I was smiling and I was so happy, because I was able to lift it up and throw it over the railing and destroy it. And I smiled at my mom. Mama, give me this look, you see? And then she just said, go for the belt. And I was like, why? And she slapped me and she said, go for it. And I was like, and I started ball, brother. She started lick me. But before she licked me, she said, me give nothing for ball for. And then I ball more, because she licked me, But me give enough trouble, dog. I used to give big trouble. I was like, I was a problem child of the family.
If you could go back and be a child again, would you?
I would only go back to get sick, because when I got sick, I didn't go to school. So, I would just only go back to be sick, so I don't have to go to school.